how to make a working timer in Yeeps that can track how long the server has been alive. So, here's what we need to do. Like the variable counter, you need the variable equals, you need like the clock thingy, you need the powered block, you need the T wire block, you need the regular straight wire block, and you need the variable setter. Okay, now we can begin. So, here's what we're going to do. So first, make how many at the max all the time that you want. So there's going to be seconds. I'm going to go for years. So now color them a bunch. So what you need to do is that however many you placed, which I did 1, 2, 7. So I did 7. I'm gonna place 7 equals 1, 2. Wait. Okay. Make sure that they're facing like this, or wherever it's not going to be obstructed. Okay, so I'm going to place 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, they have 7. And now we're going to use the T wire. Do this. So we have the T wires. Now. Okay, now what we're going to do that we're going to need the variable definitions. You can copy the stuff from here. So you gotta take the next color. So this is going to be like white, and then it's going to be the color after white.
Color after that one, and we're just going to place it like this.
Okay, so I lied. You're not going to put as many as there are. You're going to put one less. Okay, so you're going to put one less. That's going to be that. Do this. So now it's all like that. Now I'm going to take the regular short wire. I'm going to place one up like this. Here we go. Now, what you're going to do is that you're going to find the colors of each one. Or now with this, you're going to start with your first color for this one, which is going to be white. For me. And, I did plush blue. turn brown. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take the variable setter and put a variable setter bottom down like this. Now you're gonna take the one of these. You're gonna take the color under. So this is gonna be white. Now you have to put in the equals amount. So seconds is gonna be, we're gonna put it at 60 for seconds. Because there are 60 seconds in a minute since this is counting in real time. And now how many minutes are in an hour? There are 60. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it. You can wipe everything from here. I'm gonna wipe all the content from all the bugging that you did. Now you're at the final part. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take the powered block. Put the powered block there. Take the clock pulse and have it like this. And you're going to take the variable definition. Don't put it on there yet, but you're going to put it there. Don't put it on yet, but you're going to color it. Or you can just copy it from over there to the color of the first variable counter block that you put down. Or the variable definition block that you put down. It is going to be a variable definition itself. Put it here. And now it's going to count from seconds. And then it's going to be sped up for you, but I'm going to wait an entire minute to shows that it works. And of course you can see the actual counter here without any of the fancy, without having to look at the clutter. Okay. Just cut. Okay, here we go. Now it's at 1 minute, this reset to 0. And then it's going to do that again. It's going to create another one. It's going to go to 2. And then whenever this hits 60, it's going to make 1 hour. Whenever you hit 24 hours, it's going to go to a day. And then whenever 7 days go by, it's going to turn into a week. Whenever 4 weeks go by, it's going to turn into a month. And whenever 12 months go by, it's going to turn into a year. And this is all working. You can do it in a record amount in like 5 minutes for having over a year's worth of having over a year's worth of time that you can track. You can see it just went up to 2 minutes. And you can also use it to track how long how long you've been online, or how long you've been recording a video, how long a server has been up, how long you could use it. You can use it to give people like time tokens, or like probably, since this is only part 1 of this variable tutorial series, since I'm probably one of the best one out there, no glaze, or one of the best ones out there, because I made this all by myself, and it's just a tiny circuit. Probably in the next tutorial, I'll tell you how to pair this with tokens, so you can see how long a player has been in your game, or in your map. And it will be a permanent reminder of how unemployed they are if they've been on here for like a day. So that is all I've had to show you right now. By the time that you're seeing this, I'm probably working on how to get the time bound, on how to get the tokens to work with this, with the counter. Okay, it's already been 4 minutes since I finished the circuit, so I need to end this. Okay, bye y'all. Play out.